XRP just gave us a go ahead. That moment that everyone has been waiting for. Today is that D-Day. That day that we officially say we are in the bull market. You saw how XRP pumped like almost 100% in just seconds. Guys, that's how your coin, that's how your project can pump like 3x in one day during the bull market. That's why you need to connect with people who can help you understand when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. Someone who can take you through everything. I'm here, in my office, looking at the markets, drinking my coffee, looking at opportunities. I can share this with you. If say you connect with me, subscribe to this platform, take my program so you can learn how to buy, take profit, and be successful.